Okay, y'all, I'm sorry, y'all, that I haven't been talking. I wanted to do a non-talking video because I was listening to music. So, yes, y'all, we are done. You done seen me cook start to finish, make my pancake waffle batter. You done seen me make, what else you seen me make? You seen me make my waffle batter, pancake waffle batter. You see me cut up some potatoes. You see me make my tempura batter. You see me make, my waffles. You see me make some tempura fries. And you see me make some homemade mayo. I was going to make some iced tea, but I'm going to have this tea for later because I got nice and cold refreshing drink. I'm going to finish cleaning up in here and see y'all in the next video. I know this is a long video, but hopefully, with the power of, right now is at 56 minutes, but with the power of editing, it's going to be fast. But yeah, I made some homemade mayo because I went in the refrigerator and saw that somebody been using my mayo. They got their own mayo, but they decided to use my mayo. That don't make no sense. You got your own mayo. I make my mayo because I'm the only one that don't eat mayo, store-bought mayo in this house. So, but my son, I give him some too. He'll eat it too. Give it to Mikey. Here, let me, Mikey like it, whatever. But yes, y'all, I'm gonna. Y'all see me wash the dishes too, so I'm gonna end this video. I have come to an ending of this video. We are at the ending of this video. I gotta put my tempura batter in there. I didn't make all the fries. I only made like 10 fries. I got some fries in the tempura batter, so next time, you know, like maybe tomorrow I want some fries, I will make some fries. I will be together. So yeah, this was a jam-packed video. I made a lot of things in here. Let me just took it out the freezer. Oh y'all, let me tell y'all something about that song that Kendrick Lamar did on Drake. When he was like, you probably strike a chord and it's probably A minor. I just realized what he was saying. A minor. A child. And I've been saying it in my video like it was nothing. Good gracious. OMG. Like A minor, like a child. That's messed up. Oh, I thought it was going to open up easy. Oh. Alright. Can't do it like that. Okay. I don't want it to go flying into the oil or nothing. Okay. Or on the floor. Cheers, y'all. Cheers. Orange soda that I can drink that don't have no high fructose corn syrup in it. Woo! Carbonated water, sugar, cane sugar, sriracha acid. I forgot. I don't think I'm saying it right. Natural flavors. I don't know what that natural flavor is, but you know, delicious, y'all. This is the longest video I ever did. Echo, what time is it?
The time is 10:20 p.m.
Okay, y'all. That's the end of the video. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. Share if you care. Comment, you know. But yeah, this was a busy video. So I was in here doing everything. The only thing I didn't do because I had this to drink is make the iced tea. But that's all right. That's all right. So I'm going to finish. I'm going to do these dishes and I'm going to sit down and I'm going to eat. Have some chili oil with this and some ranch dressing with the what? Y'all. All right, y'all. Bye. In the words of Walter Mills, y'all have a blessed, safe, wonderful day. In the words of Simply Ramona, me, bye. A minor. Now let me stop. I'm just playing.